Happy Earth Day from the Division of Air Pollution Control at TDEC. This year's theme is Restore Our Earth, which is something that we strive to do at TDEC year-round. I'm at beautiful Dragon Park in downtown Nashville, and I'm here to talk to you today about how the Division of Air Pollution Control restores our Earth. One of the main responsibilities of the Division of Air Pollution Control is to maintain air pollution levels such as ozone at healthy levels. We do this by placing monitors across the state of Tennessee. One of the major sources of ozone pollution is vehicular traffic, like you see in the background. To reduce your ozone footprint, make smart transportation decisions like walking to places, or biking, or even scooting. You may even decide to use an alternative fueled vehicle, such as a hybrid or an electric vehicle shown in this picture.
Don't forget to submit your Earth Day photo. Yay!
Happy Earth Day from the Division of Air Pollution Control. And remember, together we can
Restore the